Welcome to Part 4 of the DataWorx P3K demonstration setup tutorial. We are now ready to trigger the Productivity 3000 ladder. We will trigger each ladder rung individually and review the results using both the DataNet Enterprise browser-based software and the PAC tags. In the Productivity suite, first make sure that the monitor mode is turned on. Let's navigate to the first rung and scroll over to the DataWorx request instruction. Flow and temperature are both 0. Let's set these values in the Data View window. Edit flow and temperature. Highlight them and click Send Edits. Close the Data View window. The updated values are now reflected in the DataWorx request instruction. Scroll back over to the trigger. Let's toggle the switch on the PAC. Let's scroll back over to the DataWorx request instruction. Note that the complete and success tags are set to 1, as well as the confirmation tag. The confirmation tag at the bottom, confirm insert tag, indicates that one record has been added to the database. Let's check DataNet Enterprise. In the production data page, our last logged entry was December 18th. Let's refresh the page. Click the ID column header to sort the records in descending order by ID. The most recently added record is now today, January 8th at 5 p.m. Note the flow and temperature reflect the values from the Data View edits in the Productivity suite. Note also that the PAC date string and PAC date time have been populated based on the system values in the PAC tags. Note also in the DataWorx P3K monitor the status is OK and reflects the date timestamp of the logged record. In the Productivity suite, navigate to rung number 2. Open the Data View window. Edit the flow and temperature values. Also display the complete, success, and confirm insert tags. Let's clear these 3 tags. Highlight all of the entries and click Send Edits. Close the Data View window. Scroll over to the DataWorx request instruction. Note all status tags have been cleared and the flow and temperature values are our newly edited numbers. Scroll over to the trigger. Open the Data View window again. Find the Trigger tag. Highlight the row. Make sure that the checkbox in the Edit row is marked. Click Send Edits. Close the Data View window. Scroll over to the DataWorx instruction. Note that the complete, success, and confirmation tags are all set to 1. The confirmation insert tag indicates that one record has been added. In the ladder, this trigger tag is also automatically reset. Let's look at our table in DataNet Enterprise. Once we've refreshed the production data page, we see our most recent entry at the top. Note the flow and temperature values have been updated accordingly, along with the PAC date and PAC time strings. The DataWorx monitor window also reflects the status of OK and the date and timestamp when the record was added to the database. In the Productivity Suite, navigate to Rung number 3. Open the Data View window. Edit the flow and temperature tags. Clear the Confirm Insert tag. Select the tags, click Send Edits. Locate the B Start Updates tag. In the Edit column, mark the checkbox. Click Send Edits. Close the Data View window. The ladder indicates that B Start Updates tag is remaining turned on. Navigate to the DataWorx instruction on Rung 6. Note that the flow and temperature tag values display. Also note that the status tags are updating accordingly every 5 seconds. In DataNet Enterprise, note that the most recent entries are 5 seconds apart. In the DataWorx P3K monitor, the status of OK continually displays, and the date timestamp as records are added to the table is updated every 5 seconds. In the Productivity Suite, navigate to Rung number 8. In this rung, we will trigger a recipe lookup. Recipe values will be written to specific pack tags. In DataNet Enterprise, let's take a look at what recipes we have available. Let's look up the gingerbread cookies 771 recipe and write the flour and sugar to the pack tags. Note the code GBC 771, as well as the values of the flour and sugar. In the Productivity Suite, open the Data View. If B Start Updates tag is still turned on, go ahead and clear it. Go ahead and clear the Confirm Insert tag as well. Locate the recipe code tag. Let's set it to the recipe code for gingerbread cookie 771. The recipe flour tag and recipe sugar tag are the destination tags for the flour and sugar values from the gingerbread cookies recipe in the database. Locate the Trigger Recipe Lookup tag. In the Edit column, make sure the box is checked. Click Send Edits to turn the tag on. Note, the recipe flour tag and recipe sugar tag now contain the values from the database record. This concludes the entire DataWorx P3K demonstration setup tutorial. Please contact us with any questions.